Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the language for your OneDrive account on the web, whether you're using a personal account or the business version. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to switch to your preferred language, making your OneDrive experience more comfortable and easier to navigate every single time you log in. Let's dive right in and get started. So first things first, let's tackle the method most people use, changing the language directly in OneDrive settings. Begin by heading over to the OneDrive website and logging in with your account. At the top right corner, you'll spot the familiar gear icon, which is your settings menu. Give that a click. Now this next part is easy to miss. Look right at the bottom of the menu that pops out. You'll see the currently selected language. It might say English, Espanol, or whatever language you've been using. Click on that language. This is where you unlock a full list of supported languages. Go ahead and pick your preferred option. Maybe you want to switch from English to French or vice versa. After you select the language you want, simply hit Change Display Language. That's it. In just a moment, all the menus and options in OneDrive will update to the language you've chosen. This not only makes things more comfortable, but ensures you're not guessing what any settings mean. Super helpful if you're more fluent in a different language, or if you're tailoring OneDrive for family members. Now, if you're using a personal Microsoft account, there's another way you can set your preferred language, and this method actually updates the language across all your Microsoft services, not just OneDrive. For this, go to Account Microsoft.com and sign in. Once you're in, click on your info. You'll see an option labeled Language. This might take an extra second to locate, but don't worry, just scroll if you need to. When you click on Language, you'll be able to pick your preferred display language for your entire Microsoft profile. As soon as you make your selection, your changes will sync across Microsoft services like Outlook, OneDrive, and more. This can be helpful if you want your Microsoft experience to feel cohesive, with every app speaking your language, so to speak. For anyone using OneDrive as part of Microsoft 365 for business or work, the process is just as straightforward, but it's handled a little differently since it affects all your apps under your work account. First, sign into your Microsoft 365 dashboard. Once you're in, look for the settings gear icon just like before and click it. In the menu, select Language and Time Zone. You'll notice a small pencil icon next to your current display language. This is your edit button. Click that pencil and you'll be able to set your preferred language. After you hit Save or Confirm, your new language will show up not just in OneDrive, but throughout all your Microsoft 365 apps, making work just a little bit easier when everything's in your chosen language. Remember, after changing your language settings, it might take a few moments for all pages to update, or you may need to refresh your browser to see the new changes. Don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly, just refresh and you should see everything reflected in your new language. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to change the display language for OneDrive on the web for both personal and business accounts, making your workflow smoother and more accessible. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, just drop a comment below. I'm happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.